Hey YouTube, number one tip if you are thinking of getting into road biking or gravel biking, that is do not go to your local bike shop and buy a brand new bike. This is going to be a big investment of, let's say, 1,500 to 2,000 euros, dollars, pounds. They're going to do all the measurements and say this is right for you. No, you need to try many different bikes to find out which one is the right size for you, which material you like. Do you prefer aluminium, carbon fiber, steel, and which of the brands just seems to click with you? Some people, they get a very strong link to some brands. You know, they like the Italian ones like Bianchi or Campagnolo or Pinarello, or they like these American ones like Trek, Specialized, Scott, Canyon. What you're going to need to do is try lots of these bikes out secondhand, around 7 to 10 years old, for about 150 to 200 dollars, euros, pounds, and just keep swapping them and trying them out and going on routes for 50 kilometers, 80 kilometers to see which one in terms of size, materials and components works for you. The other thing is, when you get started, you need to buy a lot of different accessories. And if you're buying it brand new from the beginning, and then you start having to swap the seat, the pedals, things like that, it's just going to get very expensive, and you end up with just lots of stuff that you need to just basically give away afterwards. I'm going to give an example. Before I made this video, I looked for the seats, and I've got about 15 here, and I bought and sold about 5 or 6 bikes. I went through the Decathlon ones. They gave me back pain and neck pain. I went for the Italian ones like Pinarello and Campagnolo, and you could never seem to get it to fit right. In the end, I had a road bike by Trek, 56 centimeters, which fit really well. I could take it on long routes, but I could never get the seat right. Then I traded up to a Specialized gravel bike, and I'm sticking with that for now, but I also want a carbon road bike as well, because I always just seem to be a bit slow in my group. So try out the different brands, different sizes that are 7 to 10 years old. Why are the prices so low? Well, when they come out, they're this price of 1,500 to 2,000 euros, pounds. They have the latest geometry, the latest materials, the latest technology. But after 2 years, I say the price has halved, because there is a newer model with better geometry, with better materials, with newer tech. And so those ones, the price drops very quickly by half, more or less, I would say, on the secondhand market after 2 years. And then imagine 5, 7 years later, 8, 10 years later, they're coming down to 1 to 200 euros, pounds. People just want to get rid of them. They've got them in their garage along with a bunch of other bikes and all this other stuff. Those are the ones you want to try out to see which brand works for you. I hope that's useful. If you've got any questions or comments, stick them below. I'm making a series on all the different accessories I've had to buy for road biking. Please subscribe to check those out. Thanks.